if you're feeling your brain is fried, take a moment away and you better email your professor and tell him something. Tell him you was in the hospital.
Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big man thing,
Hey guys, so I'm in the same outfit because this is part 2. Okay, it's Nekeisha and whatever. I'm in the same outfit because it's the same day, it's the same time. Okay, and I'm trying to hurry up. It's 1 o'clock. You feel me? I'm hungry. Follow me on TikTok, by the way. Okay, anyways, so let's get right into the video. I also made a list for this video. If this is the first video that you're seeing, hi, I'm Nekeisha, whatever, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this video, whatever the case may be. So now I'm gonna be giving you guys some back to school tips, but college edition, because college and high school, 2 different ball games. Okay, I am a senior in college as well, so I'm about to graduate in May 2022 so I feel like I can give y'all my 2 cents. Okay, all right, so my first #1 tip for going into college is to don't get caught up in all the drama. Okay, when you go there, there's already gonna be drama. When you get there, there's gonna be more drama added on. Do not get caught up in the drama, because college drama is something else. You feel me? High school drama may not matter, but college drama could matter, and it could actually get you kicked out. You feel me? So don't be in there fighting. Don't be in there, you feel me? Don't be doing all of that. Just stick to your friends and stay away from the drama, because the drama be too much in college. That stuff will stick with you. Feel me? Don't do that. My next one is don't tell everyone your business, because just like high school, in college, it's like the rumors spread faster. You feel me? And it's like people make stuff up even more. Like, you would think because it's college, everybody's matured. No ma'am. No ma'am. It's not worse, but it's not better. Sometimes it's worse because it's like you're older now, so like the things that they'll say, the things that they'll make up, the things that people will spread because they know your business is probably 10 times more serious than it was in high school, because everybody's older, if you get what I'm trying to say. So do not talk about your business. Watch when you tell your business, because people will use your business against you. You feel me? So keep your things to yourself. The next thing I want to say is never let your classwork or schoolwork or homework, whatever the case is, whatever it is, to pile up, because when it piles up, you feel me, it's a lot. Yes, in college they do give deadlines. I mean, they give like leeways, they give extensions, stuff like that, but just don't let your work pile up, because college work, high school work is different. College work, you actually have to invest time, invest your mind. You really have to be present sometimes, even when you're cheating. Even when you're cheating, you have to be present. So just don't let your work pile up, and work on your time management as well. That's another one. Work on time management. Have good time management, because you're gonna need to balance probably work, school, and a social life. So just put aside at least 2, 3, 4 hours maybe just for your homework, and then you have the rest of the day for yourself. Don't let it pile up. Another one is do not fail any classes, because college is money. You do not want to be paying more money because you failed a class. Okay, you do not want to withdraw from a class either. Well, if you can withdraw but then enroll for another one, cool, but try not to fail any classes. Try not to withdraw from any classes. So when you're making your schedule and you're picking your classes, be very smart about it, be very particular about it, and make sure that you're not setting yourself up for failure. Okay, time is money in college. You do not want to be wasting your time in a class and then you fail. Don't do it to yourself. If you get in, the professor's being too hard, leave. Get a different one. You know, look up the professors on, what's that website called? I'm gonna put the website in on the screen that you can go to get like professor reviews, so you know what you're getting yourself into. Okay, because these professors be wilding sometimes. Since we're on the case of professors, I just want to say make sure you have a decent relationship with your professor. I'm not really a friendly, talkative type of student as far as the relationship with my professor, because I don't see them as my friend. I see them as my professor. I see them as somebody older than me, somebody who, you feel me, it's just business talk. Why are we giggling? You get what I'm trying to say? So just have a decent relationship. Just be polite. Whenever you might need help, just know that you could go to them. Just you know, just have a decent relationship. Like, just don't be disrespectful. That's all I have to say. Don't be disrespectful and you will have a decent relationship. And don't try to play them like they dumb either. Don't try to, like, you feel me, just be cool. You can introduce yourself, well, you're gonna have to, but just be cool with it. You just be calm, you feel me? Next I want to say is try to make friends in class. Making friends in class as a college student is one of the best things that you can do. Y'all don't have to be friends outside of class, just in class. Because when them homework assignments come, and them finals, and them midterms, and them projects come, you gonna want to have at least one friend, somebody who could help you, somebody who you could talk to. Y'all could share answers, y'all could cheat together. Cheating is bad, don't cheat, but you feel me, you need at least one friend, somebody, or at least try to get into the class group chat, because there's always a class group chat. And I'm fairly quiet, so I know I be having a hard time getting into the class group chat sometimes, but you have to understand, like, you have to get out of that comfort zone and talk to somebody so you don't miss out on the answers. You feel me? I remember, you know what, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it on camera. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Never mind. I'm not gonna expose me and my classmates like it. Next thing I want to say is everybody in high school, a lot of their teachers love to tell them that, like, oh, in college your teachers aren't going to be so lenient. Oh, they're not going to be. Yes, they are. Because I'm not going to say 9 times out of 10, but maybe 7 times out of 10 your professor is also lazy. Especially if he's a man. I'm not gonna lie, my male professors are always the most lenient, always give the lightest amount of work. The work is more so time consuming than hard. And so you will get a lot of extensions in college. You will get a lot of, you feel me, you will get all of that. So things will definitely slide in college, probably more than they did in high school. At least that's how it was for me. You feel me? This probably should have been the first tip, but we're gonna throw it in here. It's start thinking about what you're gonna do after college as soon as you're a freshman. Because let me tell you something, them 4 years will fly by. So if you do not go into college with a plan, you're gonna come out feeling sad and depressed and stuff like that. So just have a plan, just have something to do afterwards. It doesn't have to be you starting your career or something like that, but just have something, you know what I mean, so you don't feel worthless, like you're not doing anything with your life. Okay, so my next tip is gonna be to get involved. When you're in college, you definitely need to get involved, because you need to meet people so you can make connections, so then the connections can get you a job after you leave college. Or just even getting involved in like for example, when I was in college, I'm in college, but when we were on campus, I was part of Black Student Union. We were actually the creators of Black Student Union at my school. We made history, okay? I was on the step team, I was dancing, I was doing a whole bunch of things, and through that I made a lot of great friends, I met a lot of great people, and got to experience a lot of great experiences. So you better put yourself out there and get involved. I know you might be kind of shy, but colleges usually offer a lot of extracurricular activities, and there's definitely going to be something there to fit who you are, what you are, and if it's not there, make it. Get your groups, get your friends together and create a group the same way that I did with my friends, Black Student Union. It's just really sad that COVID happened and we couldn't really do with it what we were trying to do, but we were off to a really great start. So we're about to get back into all of that stuff when we get back to school. So just get involved. The next thing I want to say is beware of the boys. Oh my God. In college, the boys are wildin', the girls are wildin', the professors is wildin'. You don't want to get caught up in that, bro. Like, college is already stressful. Imagine going through some. Nah, you don't want to get involved. Now, I'm not saying don't have fun, and you know what I'm saying, but don't let that run your life. Don't get too caught up, because you got grades, you got work, you got your future, you got all these different things. Like, if you feel it getting bad, just, you know, either talk it out, figure it out, or leave. Like, right now is not the time to be getting heartbroken, you from maybe in the summer, But when the semesters is going, you do not want none of that in your life. You need to stay focused. And if you're trying to have fun, go have fun with your friends. And if you want to have fun like that in another way, just like, I don't know, be safe. Please protect your energy, protect your heart. Please. Alright, so my last and final tip for this video is to enjoy your final moments of childhood, because as soon as you get out of that place, you are stepping into an ugly world. Okay, the world is very ugly, and especially for somebody who looks like me, if you look like me, people of color, it's very hard out there for people like us to make a living, be successful, if it's not entrepreneurship, you feel me, if it's not us running our own thing. So just be careful, and just really enjoy your final moments. Just have fun, be free, make some mistakes, you feel me, learn from your mistakes, just do all the things that you want to do, and just be wild and crazy if that's what you really want to do. Be wild, be crazy, go out with your friends, get drunk, do all these different things. Keep your academics in check though. You could do it all, you feel me, you could do it all at the same time. It's just all about your time management and what you're doing with your time. So just have fun, enjoy yourself, and enjoy your final moments of childhood, because when you graduate from college, it's time to grind, and it's time to, whatever that may be, whatever it is that you're doing. But just know that after college, when you graduate, things start to change. You're gonna have to change, start maturing. So be immature in college, you feel me, if that's what you want to do. But still enjoy it. Live in the moment, be appreciative that you even got to that point, be appreciative. All I want to say is, don't, like, think about the future, but don't live in the future. Let the future come and then live there. Live in the present and enjoy your time, and then when the future comes, live it. You know what I'm saying? Like, live in the present, plan for the future, but live in the present. Don't live in the future before it's already here. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I'm saying. Try to keep a peace of mind as well. That's another thing. This is actually gonna be my last tip. Try to keep a peace of mind. Do not let your studies, your friend groups, don't let different things like that come and mess up your mental health. Like, put your mental health first over everything. First over everything. Like, don't, if you're feeling your brain is fried, take a moment away, and you better email your professor and tell him something. Tell him you was in the hospital. You better do that. Like, come on now, do what you gotta do, and you still gonna pass. So you don't even gotta worry about it. You don't gotta worry about it. So yeah, guys, that's all I have to say. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my advice. If you have any more advice, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you don't, well, okay, I guess. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, follow me on TikTok as well, because on TikTok, I'm lit on TikTok, purr. So if you want to join the TikTok family, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. Everything will be linked down below. I have a lot more back to school content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do a haul, but I'm gonna see, because I don't really need to do no more shopping. Like, I keep buying clothes. I'm gonna just throw all of them into a back to school haul. But anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video, and yeah, bye.